Hi guys, hope you're doing good. I'm going to start off with this L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. I'm going to start off by applying it on my face. Let me shake it first. It's in the shade 140 Golden Beige. Let me get some on my hand. I did not apply a primer. I have already moisturized my skin. Last year when I went out after applying this foundation, it looked really dark and it turned orange. I had stopped using this foundation because it looked orange and really dark on my skin, but like few days ago I decided to give it a try again. When I applied, there was just a little bit oxidization. It was nothing crazy, like it turned orange last year when I used it, so I was amazed and I decided to use it again. I love how this foundation looks. Now I'm going to apply this L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer in the shade Cashmere 327. This doe foot applicator gets a lot of product on it. I have wiped off a lot of product. So I'm going to apply it under the eyes. I didn't like this formula last time when I applied it because it looked really dry and cakey under my eyes. I'm going to take it over my eyes. You just need a little bit product and it's enough. It's really easy to blend this product. It's looking good right now, but let's see what happens. I think I should set it with the powder. For that I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. It's in the shade Light 15. It's not a translucent powder. Have a look at the color. It's yellow. It's more like peach. I'm going to apply this powder with the same damp beauty blender. And then I'm going to wipe off the extra powder using the powder brush. This powder brush is from Zoeva. It's really nice and fluffy. So far I'm liking how it's looking on my face. Now I'm going to, I think for today I'm not going to apply any eye makeup. I'm just going to apply some eyeliner and mascara, that's all. I'm going to add some bronzer. I'm gonna mix these three shades. This one, and this one. I usually don't use a buffing brush for applying bronzer, but today I'm going to give it a try. Just a little bit. I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Rose Gold. 50 Rose Gold, yes. This highlighter is so good. You see that? This highlighter is so good. I'm using this Maybelline Gel Eyeliner. It looks like this. Generally, gel eyeliners are harder to apply. There goes my eyeliner. You see the difference in both eyes? I have applied basic eyeliner. This is the Maybelline Colossal mascara. This one. I'm gonna do the other eye now. Last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this Makeup Revolution Sheer Brilliant whatever. Okay, so this is going to be my look. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Do you think